Earn PayPal money watching videos. So in this video today, I'm going to share with you all a website that you can use that you can actually watch videos, do a variety of other things on that website as well to earn PayPal cash. Now, if you're new to this channel, guys, my name is Linsay with LindsayMoore.com. And on this channel, I share with you guys ways that you can make money from home, how to make money online, as well as personal development type videos. Now, before I dive into the content, go underneath this video and hit that subscribe button so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So with this this website I'm going to share with you, if you have already been doing some research on how to make money with PayPal on YouTube, you're probably familiar with this website. But what I want to share with you also in this video, so make sure you watch the whole video in its entirety, because I want to share with you a few ways that you can actually promote this website so that way you can actually earn extra income. But then also I have a free gift for you at the end of the video as well. So make sure you stay until the end, okay? So let's go ahead and dive into the content. Okay, so right now we're looking at the Earnably website, okay? So like I said, if you've been searching for how to make money with PayPal, how to make some PayPal cash, you probably already seen this site. But what I've what I've seen in some of the comments, some people were just saying how like they weren't sure how to actually promote this so that way they can actually earn more. So I'm going to share that with you just in a few moments. But let me go ahead and just explain what this website is, okay? So with Earnably.com, you can actually come to this website, create a free account, and all you have to do when you create your free account is you want to submit your email address, create a username and a password, and they're going to verify you need to verify your account through the email address that you signed up with, and then they're also going to send a text message to your phone so that way you can verify your account. Now with Earnably, they do have a referral program, okay? So you can earn points that you can actually redeem for PayPal cash as well. Now, with the referral program, what they're telling you to do on this website is that you don't want to, of course, you don't want to go around spamming your links everywhere. You don't want to do that. If you want to sign up more people, multiple people that's inside of your household, you can definitely do that. But just understand that when you do that, some of the offers that are on this website, if one person in your household already redeemed the offer, then you probably won't be able to do it as well, okay? But you can have multiple people go through your Earnably link in order to sign up, and you can actually redeem points, okay guys? So like I just signed up for this just like a bit ago or whatever else, just like a few moments ago, as I had just checked out this website. But here's your link right here. If you come over here to your account and you go to referrals, they'll give you all the information that you need to know about Earnably, how you can earn, and then also the link here. And I'm going to include my Earnably link in the description below, or actually as the pinned comment below, so you can go ahead and sign up for Earnably, okay? So also ways that you can earn with this app, okay? So if you come over here and you click on the Earn tab, what they have, one way you can earn cash with this, or earn points that you can redeem for cash later on, are called offer walls, okay? So with offer walls, you can come over here and you can complete some type of offer in order to earn points, okay? So right here, you could try out Tidal for 30 days, register for this newsletter, you can subscribe to Hulu. You can do all these things on here, and then when you do those particular offers, you can earn points with it, okay? So that's one way that you can do that. Next way that you can do this is daily surveys. So I know a lot of people do not like doing surveys or whatever else, but if you treat this kind of like a job almost, and what I mean by this is that even though you may not like doing surveys is a good way you can actually generate some extra cash just by answering some questions. And what you want to do is treat it like a part-time job, right? So dedicate 1 hour per day to working on this site, completing offers, doing some surveys and things like that. If you think about it in that mindset, that's how you're going to be able to actually earn more with this app and get the most out of this out of this website, okay? Most people just don't want to take the surveys. They don't want to do none of this stuff. But if you treat this like a job and understand that you can really just earn some really simple cash, simple points that you can redeem for cash, then why not do it, right? And you're just only spending an hour per day, and all those 1 hour per day, all that stuff adds up when you get to the end of the month, guys, okay? So again, that's what you want to do here. Treat this like a job, pretty much like a part-time job, and take some time out and start doing some of the surveys, the offers, and everything else on here, okay? So another way that you can actually earn is by watching video, just like how I was talking about in this title, right? The title for this video. So you can come over here, you can select one of the options, And you can come over here and you can watch some of the videos, the curated content that's already over here, and you can earn points. Again, you can redeem those points as for PayPal Cash later on, okay, guys? So you can come over here and just check out any of these. They have them all in different categories. And you, again, watch some of the videos, earn points, okay? Then the next one that you can also do are tasks, okay? So with this particular tab, you can come over here, you can complete some, tasks, little mini jobs, and you can earn points as well. Some of the offers that they have on here is like where you can transcribe some data, something like that, and you can earn points, okay? So this is just a really, really simple website where you can just generate some extra cash by basically doing little mini jobs. So even like with the videos and doing the surveys, if you just see it as doing like little mini jobs where you can earn some cash, that is great, right? And the one thing that I do like about this app, especially when people try to come online to make money and they don't have money to invest into like a business opportunity or something like that, you can definitely use this website, Earnably.com. You can come over to this website, generate some cash, and then you can reinvest that money into joining a business program. A business opportunity online or something like that. And then as I'm recording this right now, we're in November, so we're about to be in the holiday months, and this is a great way you can just generate some extra cash during the holiday months, okay? So again, what I want to share with you is how you can actually promote this so you can generate some cash, okay? So of course the obvious thing is YouTube, okay? So if you already have a YouTube channel, you can record a video just like how I'm doing here. You don't have to show your face in the video or anything like that, but you can just give a brief overview of what the app is and include your link in the description and below the video or something like that. That's a good way for you to generate some cash with the Earnably app. You can get it again by having people, referring people to the website, or you can create content where it's showing people how they can actually just do like little mini jobs or do surveys in order to earn cash, okay? Another way that you can actually do this is on your social media. So if you have a Facebook account or if you have an Instagram account or something like that, now what you don't want to do is you don't want to spam your link everywhere. You don't want to do that, okay? What you want to do is every now and then, like every third or fourth post that you normally do on social media, you want to place your link to the Earnably app. And you can just make a simple post on Facebook or something like that, like, hey guys, I want to share with you all this website where you can actually earn some PayPal cash just by doing some little mini jobs here and there on this website. And then you can include your link, and then people can go to your link, they can sign up, and you can also earn referral points that way as well, okay guys? So that's a really good way that you can actually promote this on your social media, okay? The third way that you can do, and again, like I said, this is the holiday season, so this is a really good thing, right? So with this app, people are going to try, not this app, keep on an app. With this website, again, people want to earn some extra money. The holidays is coming up, everything else, right? So what you can do is what I call Post-it note marketing. Okay, guys? So this is a really cheap way, right? So you go and get some of the 3M Post-it notes. Don't get the ones from the Dollar Tree because they don't really stick that well. But get some Post-it notes and include your link. And what I would do is instead of having your link, like your raw link, how they have it here, right? I will get a custom link, right? So I will go to Namecheap or GoDaddy or something like that, and I will get like a simple domain, something that people can remember, right? So let's say like if you're in Miami and you want to have people go to this website, you can create a link called like 305savings.club, something like that, right? Something that's really simple that people can remember. Create a Post-it note telling people, hey, how you can earn some free PayPal cash, completing surveys, or how to earn free PayPal cash, and you can include your link, 305savings.club. And then when you go to stores like Target, Walmart, stores like this, the Dollar Tree, or anything like that, what you want to do is just smack one of these notes somewhere, anywhere, right? Smack some of these notes around, and you can put them on like gas station pumps, just anywhere pretty much, so that way you can actually get more eyeballs onto your website, so that way when people come over here to your Earnably link, they can sign up. You'll get a referral credit for them signing up, and then also you're exposing people to a way that they can actually generate some extra cash with this website, guys, okay? So that's how you can generate some results and get some referral points and all this type of stuff like that, and also again provide people with a website where they can actually just earn some extra cash, especially during the holiday season, guys, okay? So hope you found this video helpful. And like I said, I have a free gift that I want to share with you all. So on this channel, again, like I talk about ways that you can make money from home and things like that as well. I have been working full-time from home since 2014 with affiliate marketing, guys, okay? Now, it's been very beneficial to my life. I've been able to travel the world. I've been able to, to kind of just live life on my own terms. But at the same time, I've also been able to help other people to generate income online as well. So underneath this video in the description below, I'm going to give you a free gift where you can get access to my top affiliate offers that I promote. Now with these offers, I do like YouTube videos, I make posts on Facebook and things like that as well, in order to have people go to that website and I can generate commissions from those. So I want to share with you all my top affiliate offers as well. In addition to that, I'm also going to include a link to my best way that I actually make income online right now. And like I said, it's like one of the best ways I make money online pretty much. And I'm going to include that information below, as well as a link to my Facebook group. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing and how to make money from home, you definitely want to make sure that you're a part of that group. And then also with this, the Earnably app, if you want to get started with Earnably, again, it's free to get started. I share with you 3 different ways that you can actually promote this, so that way you can actually start generating some referral commissions and things like that. I'm going to include that as the pinned post in the comments section below, guys, okay? So I'm just giving you guys a lot of information, guys, but make sure, again, go get that free cheat sheet. Go get access to my free top affiliate offers. Learn how I'm actually making money online. And again, that's going to be in the description below this video. And then my link where you can sign up for Earnably is going to be in the comment section in the pinned post, guys, okay? So hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or anything about I covered inside of this video, make sure you just comment below. Hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.